Well, if you thought that Chapter 2 was going to be any different with Monday content, you're completely wrong. It's probably going to be worse. Because of my new job, I have Monday shifts, so not only do I not have enough time to even edit Boring Week, I don't have enough time to record it either. So yeah, there's not going to be many Monday clips, because I'm too busy trying to get it edited. And to the people who are going to say, well then just film at your job, I legally can't, so shut the fuck up.
Move the chair, move the chair.
So I am about to head into town for all sorts. Like at school today I was just really tired, and I'm still tired right now because of my shift, and then I've been editing Boring Week, which still isn't out yet, but I'm going to make sure I finish editing it when I get back from all sorts. I was doing a bit of editing right now. But while I head to all sorts, you guys can listen to the EDM track that I was messing about with today in Music Tech, because that's part of the requirements, and I think it's okay for my first EDM track. See, I was just messing about with loops and MIDI stuff and effects, so have a listen. I am about to go to the Whitehall Theatre because I have a rehearsal. It's just an hour long for that one number that we're doing on Friday from Cats for the Whitehall anniversary thingy. Also, I managed to get Boring Week up today, which is good. I'm glad I actually got it out. And now all of the assets and stuff are made, so it'll be easier to edit the other ones.
No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't wait to get out of here.
anniversary, 50th anniversary event went quite well. We got a lot of praise, people saying well done. The other acts seemed really good as well. I only saw the ones in Act 1 because we were in Act 2, so I had to be backstage during Act 2. We like swapped over dressing rooms like in the interval, but it was all good and went well. Also, I guess like happy Thanksgiving to my American viewers yesterday, if you care. I don't think I actually have any American viewers though, so yeah. I'm just about to head off to work because it is like 3:45 and I start at 4. I've just kind of been chilling this day, trying to relax after this busy week I've had. And I'm quite tired from the Whitehall Theatre yesterday, but let's do this, let's go to work. I've got to earn money. Well, that was stressful. We had like 13 Just Eat delivery orders come in all at the same time pretty much. The machine was just like rolling off one after another, so like the whole night it was just phone calls of complaints from like the delivery people who were supposed to be getting the deliveries being like, hey, where's my food here? And we're like, because we got like 13. So yeah, that was fun. Hey, happy Advent everyone. I'm really tired. That's fun. Got the SMT in a bit. And I also have work tomorrow, so yay! Gonna be real tired. Oh boy. Been doing editing right now. I don't know if this clip is going to get into the final cut of this boring week. But I'm not okay right now. For a lot of different reasons. I just can't anymore. Really. Just with the way my life is going, I can't continue it like this. This isn't sustainable. And this isn't like just a new thing either. Or just like, oh, this day I'm feeling a bit down. Didn't play any Pokemon. Such a bad day, am I right? No, this is like months of feeling like this. I'm trying to do stuff about it. I don't really want to get into the details of it right now, but I'm trying. But I have quite a few barriers in the way. Just not really letting that stuff happen. I'm slowly losing the want to make these videos. I mean, I really want to, and I really like making these videos. Usually. And I've tried to kickstart my interest by revamping my channel, recreating all these new assets. I've just ended up stressing myself out. I'm still not happy with the way everything looks. I mean, you see, I've even fucking in this past week changed the Boring Week logo again. Still not happy with the thumbnail. Still not happy with the Studio G logo. Channel art looks bland, boring, muted colors. I'm just... yeah, not great right now. But it's the journey of life, am I right? It's just the way things are, you know? It'll get better. Well, it hasn't yet, has it? So when the fuck is it going to? Because right now, clearly isn't then. Or I've somehow got to wake up, get myself dressed up, ready for the day, go to school, do schoolwork, socialize, be in public with a ton of fucking annoying people. Hate every second of it. Try and sit down and do work that ultimately I don't give a shit about. The stuff I want to do. I don't need these grades, really. I mean, I'm fucking... This is technically what I want to do. So, you know, why can't I just fucking do it? Don't ask me, because apparently I'm not the one who gets to decide. And then after school, I've got to go to my new job. Second week of working, straight after school. No break in between, socialize some more. Do work, have to put in a ton of effort after having no time to relax and sit back. Be stressed, be worried about everything still. Not being able to rest my mind. I just kind of wanted to record this. I just felt I needed to. Just got to the point of this is the only thing I'm used to now. It's the only thing I can really do. Is talk to a fucking camera. I mean, fucking brilliant. Well, there we have it for this episode of Boring Week. Episode 2 of Chapter 2. Ups and downs, tipsy-turvies, roundabouts, roly-polies, you know, all of the sorts. We've had it all in this episode of Boring Week. Instead of a montage, we haven't had a montage. But it's time for me to try and get some sleep and get to bed. So, that sure was a boring week. See ya.